Victorinox Swiss Army knife pocket tools. This is the Farmer X. It is knife center exclusive. It has aluminum handle, and the features in this knife or pocket tool is the saw blade. It's good. We have to compare the saw blade with this Victorinox Spirit X. Victorinox Spirit X saw blade, and then the Farmer X saw blade. You can see the big difference between them. The Farmer X has a longer blade, and even the actual blade of the knife, it's pretty bigger than this Spirit X. See the difference between them. Farmer X has a bigger blade. This is the Victorinox Spirit X, and this is the Victorinox Farmer X. It's a nice pocket tool, and it comes also with a nice scissor. Very nice pocket tool. Victorinox's Army knives are quality. Knife center exclusive. Thanks for watching again.